We're talking with Peter Asterios from True Yoga. So Peter, my first question is, what about your yoga-friendly, eco-friendly yoga studio? Can you talk a little bit about that?
Well, as an architect, I've been working with Yoga Center Design for about 8 years now. This is the first time I've had an opportunity to integrate all the kind of conscious building materials into a yoga center. And right from the get-go, it was a really important thing for me and the owners to kind of walk the talk. Like, we're teaching about consciousness in yoga, and now it's also about carrying that into the way we build space.
Great. So I just finished your practice and it was great and very refreshing, very different from everything, I've been doing here in LA. Can you talk about your influences in the practice? What are you bringing to the
Sure.
your class?
I've spent a lot of time in India, and I've been influenced a lot by well-known teachers and also not so well-known teachers in South India. Particularly teachers of dance and teachers of martial arts. So the style of Hatha Yoga that I teach integrates those elements, and especially the kind of non-muscular effort, working with the energetics of the body instead of the gross muscular form of the body.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And so here's an invitation for you to come down to Brazil, huh?
Yeah, I'd love to come to Brazil.
Great.
Thank you.
Namaste.